Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of the Autistic Cooking Show. Today I'll be making deluxe holiday fudge that can be enjoyed any time of the year. So how are we going to make this? We'll have 1.5 packages of 12 ounce each size of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 cups of miniature marshmallows, a can of sweetened condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and you can add nuts or dried cherries or white baking chips if desired. So in order to get this started, let's look at the ingredients, look at the steps. So first of all, we need to grease the bottom of this pan with butter. So while we do that right now, grease the pan on all sides. That is greased. Yep. I'll put the butter away at the end. So that's that. So the next step, we need to heat the chocolate chips, marshmallows, and milk in a 2-quart saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly until chips and marshmallows are melted and make sure it's smooth. So it's time to do this.
Be careful with vanilla extract. It's a very powerful thing if you put too much in it.
It can very much deteriorate the flavor.
There we go.
We got stirred a little bit. There's the last few marshmallows to burn off. Not burn off, but melt. You think it's ready to go? First time it's ready to go. Alright. Alright, do one more stir. Do the last marshmallows. Alright. Then we're going to pour into the pan. Do all the more. Really fast. Really fast. Turn off the heat. Always that way. Done. There you go. Heat's turned off. Got all the excess off. Let's hope this rises a little bit when it starts doing the fruit juice. While you're doing this, you're gonna let the can off. Get all the excess off. Guys,
wait.
So we're gonna cut this thing open and see how it tastes.
Oh, that's a lot better. Oh.
Mmm. Very chocolatey. You don't have to wait a long time. It tastes pretty dang good.